Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will tell you how to connect this laptop to two monitors at once. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the ports that will allow you to connect this laptop to two monitors at once. As you can see, on the right side we got an HDMI port, and on the left side we got this USB Type-C port that allows you to use DisplayPort connections using it. So basically what you have to do is have two monitors that will accept the image from this laptop. Basically two monitors, connect them to the power source, and after you connect them to the power source, you can use two different cables, HDMI and DisplayPort cables, to connect both monitors to this laptop. If they don't support one or any of these connections, you can use an adapter. You can buy an adapter. I don't think it's they're expensive, but if you use an adapter to connect both of this monitor to this laptop, they will automatically be detected by the system, so you won't have to do anything in settings. And once you connect them, what you have to do is use Windows plus P option in order to change the projection mode. The default projection mode is PC screen only, which will not transmit any image to the monitors. Now if you select duplicate, then the image of basically the screen of your laptop will be transmitted to both of this laptop, to both of these monitors. If you select extend option, then the monitors will become an extension of your laptop. So basically your screen will be divided between these three monitors, including the monitor of your laptop, and the second screen only will transmit the image of your monitor to your laptop. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.